Sanibonani you guys, welcome back to my channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for clicking to Mkosi Nophilile you guys. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nifike you guys on this video. Nginendaba ezibuhlungu ezingenhleneze sekushoneke laphana umlingisi you guys obizwa kuthiwa nguMphosi Beng. Kubuka ukuthi akasekho ke emhlabeni you guys. uMphosi Beng ozakhela udumo emidlalweni okubala kuyo iRing of Lies lapho ayelingisa khona indawo kaNeo. Lo mlingisi okwabonakala emidlalweni eminingi okukhona ke iskandal The Queen neminye kuthiwa ushone engozini yemoto ekseni namhlanje you guys. Abantu bebelokhu besenda ke you guys emiyalezo yenduduzo bethi rest in peace uMphosi Beng you guys. Kuthiwa ke abagcina ukumbona bathi ube happy right enomusa njengokube ngumuntu ohlelo enomusa njalo you guys. Kuthiwa ke uMphosi Beng uthole ingozi yemoto laphana ngaseKlerksdorp washonela khona lapho you guys. Ngiyambona uyatrenda laphana uMphosi Beng on Twitter. Alohlanga lungehlanga you guys, usedlule emhlabeni ke uMphosi Beng. Baba le ke itori iningi laphana akadlala kuzo uMphosi Beng you guys ebathi ushone eneminyaka ewu30. Ukuthi umngani wakhe laphana ukuthi uZola Shati kaMotseri you guys uye wabhala ke laphana umyalezo kaTwitter wathi it is with a sad, deep, painful heart to announce the passing of a young brother friend I took in to replace us when we excited Crazy TV at 3 p.m. That was at Mposi Beng. He was in a car accident this morning around Klerksdorp. This one has hashtag rest in peace Mposi Beng. Uloke trendile you guys njengoba engasekho ke emhlabeni ama celebrities you guys badabukile abantu guys ngokudlula emhlabeni kukaMpho. Omunye laphana wathi he was a fine young man, what a talent, what a dedicated thespian, sending love and prayers to the Beng family and all Mpho's loved ones. Uloku yatrenda number 1 uMpho you guys njengoba kubikwa ukuthi usedlulile ke emhlabeni. Lezi indaba ezibuhlungu ezingekho mnandi neze. Now let me see omunye laphana uthi uMpho really entertained us and delivered well on his Neo character on Ring of Lies. That was when he won me over as a fan. Rest in peace boy. Life is indeed the shortest thing we ever had. Someone said here, I can't believe it gone too soon, but goodbyes are not the end. Abangani bakhe nabakade besebenza naye you guys ama South Africans at large ebelokhu athumela emiyalezo yenduduzo njengoba esedlulile emhlabeni ubhuti uMpho kuthiwa ke uthole ingozi yemoto. Sad news to hear about the passing of actor Mposi Beng. His talent illuminated screens and stage is leaving an indelible mark. Our thoughts are with his loved ones during this difficult time. Omunye ke washo ethi I'm devastated. We shared some dope moments my brother. I'm glad I got to constantly remind you about how amazing you were at your craft and how your level of humanity was a rare to find. Lala ngoxolo mfowethu. This was someone who was close to him you guys. Inhliziyo ingamahlwili abantu you guys abaloku bebhalile ka Twitter you guys emva kokuthi kubikwe ukuthi usedlulile emhlabeni lobe ngumlingisi uMphosi Beng. Omunye wasethi now we are always reminded of how fragile life is, especially when it is a young person who passes on. I will forever remember Mposi Beng for his role as Khwetsi I think so, on the throne. What a talented young man. Condolences to his family and fans. Kubukeka ngathi bese itori eziningi ube talented ngempela you guys kodwa ke ngoba ukufa batha kokoti you guys usedlulile ke emhlabeni. Ogcina ke lapha uthi I'm saddened by the passing of a gentle brother uMpho. What an amazing gent, may his soul rest in peace. Mningi imiyalezo lapha you guys singeke sifunde kuthiwa akasekho emhlabeni uMphosi Beng udluleke ngengozi yemoto kuthiwa ngasendaweni kuthiwa kuseKlerksdorp. Ke anyacabanga ukuthi abomndeni basazomhlambe badlulise ba release a statement bachaze you guys ngokushona kwakhe angazi, but mhlambe ngizobuya ngibuye ngaleyo video mangabe sengisibonile naleso statement esiphuma ke emndenini njengoba lapha ke kungabangane nabo bonke kade besebenza naye and all. Akalale ngoxolo uMphosi Beng you guys kuthiwa akasekho emhlabeni. Condolences to the family, umndeni wakhe you guys, abangani bakhe kade sebenza nama colleagues and everyone else. Rest in peace Bhuti Mposi Beng. Thank you so much you guys for liking this video. I guess sizobonana futhi ku video elandelayo ize lezi izindaba ezibuhlungu ezingekho mnandi neze.